See now is the Desproto welcome screen. One of the nice things in Desproto is that it has custom wizards called Script Wizard in previous versions, and these are made specially for some hardware, like here for the GWX30 machine for wax ring machining. We want to use that one. Okay, as always, the first step in Desproto is to load a geometry file. We will use the ring that is used by Roland as well, the Rhino Gold tutorial ring. We open that geometry, it is loaded, and here you can see that it's not properly aligned with the cylinder shape that indicates the rotation axis direction for the ring. So that's a standard thing that we can fix. We need to rotate it 90 degrees around the Z-axis. Here we go. Next wizard is check. Are the dimensions correct? From 0 to outside is a radius of 14.5 millimeter. The orientation the 0 point is in the center, so that's all okay. We can press next. Desproto has already checked for us that it fits in the small clamp. Okay, we have a series of wax blocks for the small clamp with a thickness of 12 millimeters. We make another check. Okay, the ring fits inside, so now I can use my next button for the next step, which is adding the support system, a core block and a few spokes. I'll use the standard values. If needed, I can change the length of the blocks and also the thickness, but I use them as default. Cutter to be used is the standard 1 mm diameter bullnose cutter as supplied by Roland by this machine, and I will also use the default values for toolpath distance, so a default accuracy. Next, Desproto will create a number of parts. You can see it on the left side in the tree view. I will show you. There's one part for the first side, one part for the second side after the 180 degree flip, and a third part for the rotation axis machining. All done automatically, and next I can calculate the toolpath. That's also quite fast. 14 calculations have to be done, 14 operations are present, 2 threads at the same time. I can show you. This is a dual core machine. When you have a multi-core machine and also even a 64-bit version of Windows with sufficient RAM, this will go quicker because on this small PC some swapping has to be done, which takes time. Now the toolpaths have been calculated, and so we can continue. Final screen of the wizard is either writing the 2NC files, but for this machine it's not needed, as we can send the files directly from Desproto to the machine. First, quickly show them to you. Here is the several operations. I'll make the lot invisible for you. So here is the roughing. After that come the contour lines, after that come the finishing, and after that some 2D stuff in order to drill the holes. Okay, make them all visible again, and as said, we can send them directly to the machine. However, obviously first we need to prepare the wax block. Wax block in place, 0 point has been set, so now we can send the current toolpath to the machine. Desproto reminds me that operations in part 1 and 2 have been combined to one chain, including the 180 degree rotations, so that's okay for me. Just a warning, the machine needs to be in the correct status to receive the toolpath, so I can say send and it will start machining.